Hi guys, if you don't use your car for a long time, your battery may discharge. If that happens, we'll show you how to jumpstart your car using the donor vehicle. So we have our jumper cable here. First we will connect the red clamp to the red terminal on the dead battery, on the RAV4. We actually using this spot right here because we tried to use the bolt, but it makes it very unreliable. So this way you have a good connection right now. So after you connected that terminal, now we can connect the other end to the good battery, to the red again, which is plus. Now connect the minus, or the black one, to the minus on the good battery. And now like 2019 RAV4 actually has this metallic point right here, which can be used as a ground. It's located on the engine. So after all this connection is done, so again I'll go over. First plus on the dead battery, which is red, goes to plus on the good battery. Then you connect minus on the good battery, and then you connect it to the ground on the vehicle with the dead battery. Now we have to start the car with a good battery. Start the car and increase the engine speed a little bit, maybe to around 2000 RPM. Maintain the speed for around 5 minutes. This will allow the battery on the RAV4 to get a little bit of charge, so that you could safely start the RAV4. So after around 5 minutes of charging, we can now start the RAV4. For vehicles equipped with smart key system, there is an important procedure which you have to do before you start the car. You have to open and close one of the doors. This will make sure that you can start the car. Now we need to remove the cable clamps, remove them in the reverse order of installation. So first, remove the minus on the dead battery on the RAV4. Now remove the minus on the good battery. Make sure that the clamps don't touch each other when you remove them. Now remove the plus on the good battery. And the final one, the plus on the RAV4. Hi guys, today... Hi guys, if you drive... Hi guys, if you don't use your vehicle for a long time, your battery may discharge. If that happens, we'll show you how to jumpstart your car using a donor vehicle.